Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 7 and the name of our unit is School. And today I am going to deliver third lecture which is about activities at school. यानी कि आप स्कूल में क्या क्या करते हैं आज हम उस बारे में जानेंगे. So let's start the lecture with the recap. So name some of the people you have in school. So previous lecture में हमने जो हमारे स्कूल में मुख्तलिफ लोग होते हैं हमने उनके बारे में जाना था, जैसे कि principal, teachers, students, helping staff, then comes the librarian, gatekeeper. So these are different people which we have in our school. So प्यारे बच्चों, अब जल्दी से हम student learning outcome की तरफ चलते हैं. So in today's lecture the students will be able to describe the activities they engage in at school. So बच्चे कौन कौन सी activities स्कूल में perform करते हैं आज बच्चे उनको describe कर सकेंगे. So let's quickly move forward towards the pre-reading question. So इस question को मैं पूछूंगी आयशा से. So आयशा please come here. Okay आयशा और आपने जोर से बोलना है, ठीक है. What activities do you perform at school? Also do the action of the activity. आप कौन कौन सी activity स्कूल में करती हैं उनके names बताएं, साथ साथ उनके action भी करने. Very good. You do. Yes.
Paint.
Very good.
And writing.
And
lunch.
and you also do lunch and
play.
okay. How do you play? Do the action. Okay, you jump and play. Okay, thank you so much Aisha. Now you can sit. So my dear students and teachers, आप इसी तरह बच्चों से पूछें कि वो स्कूल में कौन कौन से काम करते हैं, कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं और साथ उनसे उनके एक्शंस भी करवाएं. So this will be a very fun activity for them. So now with this, let's quickly move forward towards the reading. For that, quickly open page number 51 in your GK1 books. Very good. Okay my dear students, so here first of all again look at the pictures. So pictures हैं जिसमें मुख्तलिफ activities हो रही हैं like reading, gardening, playing games and then art and craft. So let's quickly start the reading. Activities at school. In school I do different activities. So we also have to name them. So आपने क्या करना है कि आपने इन पिक्चर्स को देखना है और उसके बाद आपने इनको लेबल भी करना है इसी बुक के ऊपर. So how do you will label it? First is reading. Reading. Right under the picture. Reading. Take the pencil and everyone write reading. Then comes gardening. बागबानी जिसे कहते हैं, gardening. Write it down, gardening. Then comes games. You play different games. And last one is art and craft. You also make different things and you paint and you color. So you also do art and craft. So my dear students, pause the video and quickly write under every picture that about the activities. I hope you have finished it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the evaluation. So my dear students, quickly tell me what kind of activities do you perform at school? कौन कौन सी different activities आप अपने स्कूल में perform करते हैं, जल्दी से मुझे बताएं. Very good. Okay, now let's quickly move forward towards the practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So, आपने अपना नाम लिखना है, अपनी class लिखनी है और उसके बाद let's start the activity. Identify the activities that you perform at school. Take help from the word bank. So, आपको यहाँ एक word bank दिया गया है. By looking at the pictures, आपने word bank की help से बताना है कि ये बच्चे क्या करें. So, first one, the kid is reading. So you will write here read. Here it is written. Then write. We write it in the school. Then we paint, draw and paint. And we also play. And we also eat. So these are the different things that we do in our school. Pause the video and quickly complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's quickly move forward towards the homework. So my dear students, homework में आप इसका first part जो है think big का कर चुके हैं. So आपने label the name the activities from the pictures. आपने अभी reading page पे अपनी activities को label किया था. Now the second part, अब आपने अपनी copy में write down the activities you perform at school in your notebook. So जो भी activities आप अपने school में perform करते हैं उनके names आपने अपनी notebook में लिखने हैं. So this is your homework. So today we have learned that we perform different activities at school like reading, writing, painting, coloring, playing, eating. So these all are the different activities that we perform at school. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.